Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk around, start up and drive video on a 1993 Chevrolet Caprice Wagon. Man, what a gorgeous car. This super clean car has only 46,000 original miles. I bought it from the original family who bought it new. Just an absolute gorgeous car. 5.7 350 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, overdrive, power steering, power brakes, ice cold air conditioning, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt wheel, cruise control. Sitting on a beautiful set of 20-inch chrome GM wheels. This wagon has it all. I mean, it's got the looks, it drives great, it runs great. Low miles, very, very meticulously maintained car. The interior in this car is beautiful. It's got that burgundy cloth interior. Everything in the inside is about as good as you could expect. I mean, its dash is very, very nice. Headliner, the dome lights all work. The visors are in great shape. The jambs, door panels. The whole car looks just like this. I mean, it's just immaculate. It does have the third seat option in the back there. That back folds up. All the glass in the car is crystal clear. There's no scrapes, there's no dings, there's no dents, there's no scratches in this car. Nothing that sticks out anyway. There's the seat, that top just flips up. Rear hatch comes, rear tailgate goes down. RPO codes. It's got a newer set of tires on it, the gentleman told us as well. The side's no different, just beautiful. Sound and exhaust on it, custom exhaust. Air conditioning is ice cold. Rear window release and wiper. Front wipers. Headlight indicator. I'll turn the flashers on there. Make sure all the lights are working. Lighted passenger vanity mirror. She sounds nice. Plate lights, tail lights, hazards. Just a beautiful ride. $29.9 is the price on it. I really think the only thing this car needs, in my opinion, is the windows lightly tinted. I'm not saying like super dark, maybe like 35% or something like that. I mean, just a nice light tint. I think this would really make this car pop even more. But you'd be hard pressed to find a nicer wagon anywhere. Her out for a spin. Everybody that sees this car just loves it. I bought it a week ago, and I sent my driver over to pick it up today, and he brought it back, and he's like, "You would not believe the amount of people that absolutely love that car." I'm, yeah, and he goes, "I do too." We just had a shop full of people back there from the O'Reilly Auto Parts. They were oohing on over it. The carpet is in beautiful shape. They got them plastic floor mats over top of the regular original cloth floor mats. Seat belt on. Usually in most of the old cars, if they don't have shoulder harnesses, I don't even worry about putting them on. So. Car runs out very, very nice. Pushing the horn. I don't think the horn is working. I'll have to check that out. Maybe it has a fuse that's bad or something. Gotta have horn. It's got heated mirrors too. That's what it says. Heated mirror. Come down here and I'll get out and do a little walk around with the outside, and we'll head back to town. There's the rear window defroster as well. It's got dual power seats. They do everything they're supposed to do. Tilt up, tilt back, forward. It's got power mirrors as well. That one works. That one works too. Kind of got a throaty sound. I kind of like that. What a gorgeous ride. It's a black car. You look down the side of it, it's just straight as an arrow. Man, this thing's polished to perfection. Holy shnikes. I need to hire this guy to come help me. Make a black car stay that nice. All right, let's head back to town. I just love these old GM cars, you know. They just don't make them like this anymore. And they lasted so long. This one's got 46,213 miles on it. And if somebody wanted to make this car their daily driver, I bet they could put 200,000 miles on this car. She gets down pretty good for a big car. Heck yeah. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and specialty inventory every day. So give us a call. If this 93 Chevy Caprice Wagon is something that fits in your wheelhouse, give us a ring. I don't think this will be around long. Such a gorgeous ride. Somebody's going to snatch this thing up. Again, 563-452-2450. Thanks for watching my videos. Thank you to all my subscribers. And if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe today. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.